Why are you always the one that don't want to eat your food? Peanut, you getting your breakfast? He is. Every time I put the food in front of his face, he gets it. Good morning. Hello. Hello, Onyx. Good morning. Hello, honey. Hello. Rim, rim. Rim, rim. Here. Get your water. Oops. Go get your morning pee-pees. Go get your morning pee-pees. Alright, so the animals have been fed, even though 2 of the dogs decided they weren't going to eat breakfast. The birds have been fed and watered. The cat has been fed and watered. Now we're going to go get some clothes out of the car, and we're going to go shower, because we got Thanksgiving dinner at 1 p.m. at Golden Corral. Come on, then. You're always the first one in. These 2 are still out there doing their thing. Now that you pottied, you gonna get your food, your breakfast? Come on, get your breakfast. Otherwise, I'm gonna put it on the counter and you won't get it until lunch. You better get your breakfast. You gonna get it? Alright. You want it? You sure you don't want it? Because I'm gonna pick it up. Dogs hate it when you pick up their food. Alright, you'll get it in a little bit. Oh yeah, I forgot. Y'all been drinking the heck out of that all night. Let's go ahead and get y'all some more. Sleeping arrangements last night were not very comfortable because I was sleeping on the big couch, but then the biggest dog decides he's gonna come and sleep right on top of me, and then the other biggest dog was sleeping at my feet, which she didn't bother me at all. So I moved over to the little couch with Peanut, the little dog, and was there for a while, but I couldn't get comfortable sleeping on the little recliner thing. So I ended up picking up the big dog and moving him to the little couch and laying down on the big couch in his spot. And he literally gave me this look like, why in the hell did you move me out of my spot, put me over here so you could go take my spot, and then make it worse. Peanut left the little couch and came over and jumped on me, and I had to kick him off of me. I was like, no! And I forgot to bring my blankets and pillows in, so I was using my hoodie as a cover up and a pillowcase type deal. I don't know, for the first half of the night I had it balled up in a ball and I was laying my head on it, and then for the second half of the night I had it on and I was laying inside of it. I was in the shower and the big one, not her, but that one was waiting for me with her, and when I started walking down the stairs, I didn't catch it on camera, but he slipped, tried to be all extra about it and slipped going down the stairs and caught himself on the 4th step. He fell down. Ain't that right? What is it? What do you want? Oh, you want to go outside? You want to go outside? You want to go out there and potty? Well, then go then. I don't know what you was waiting for me for. Wah! Wah! Hello, Skittles. What are you doing over there? Acting weird? Remy? Onyx? Hello, Onyx. Look who's finally eating her breakfast. Peanut had his few bites, but now he said he's done. Don't you see that I am trying my hardest to watch this movie, and you keep dropping stuff in my lap? What? Why are you so nosy? Why are you so nosy?
Father Bernard got hitched. He's back tomorrow. That belongs to me. Sorry. Gorgeous, by the way.
Why is this dude all up in my personal grill? What are you doing?
Now.
Why are you all up in my grill?
It feels like.
Why are you all up in my grill? What was that?
To feel sorry, Sam.
What was that?
I am sorry. I know. Old me. Or just kept going. Just jam that needle in deeper until we died. Because the ends always justify the means.
What's that, dude? Gonna play some more music for the birdies. Give them some attention. Ain't that right? Maria! Scaraboo! Hello. Why aren't you talking to them today? What's wrong with you? We got some music to play, you know? Whoa. Someday I'm gonna be famous. Do I have talent? Well, no. These days you don't really need it. Thanks to reality shows. Can't wait to date a supermodel. Can't wait to see my dad. Can't wait to wreck a Ferrari on my way to rehab. Cause when you're a celebrity, it's adios reality. No matter what you do, people think it's cool just cause you're on TV. I can throw a major fit, and my latte isn't just how I like it. They say I've gone insane, I blame it on the fame and pressures that go being a celebrity.
She was a tiny bird, she was a lovely one, she don't trust her, never trust her, won't trust her, don't trust me, shush her, trust her, do the hell tell her, and talk with your hands, I said shush her, shut your lip, do the hell tell her, and talk with your hands, I said shush girl, shut.
Bah! You don't want none. What's up? You don't want it. What's up? I'm gonna go get it. Go get it. When the Chihuahua defends his toy. That was cheating. Tell her that was cheating. Come here. Give me that. Tell her that was cheating. Take it back. Take your toy back. Tell her. Oh, you got it. Look at you. Come on. Oh, she went and got Humpty Dumpty. Peanut, you don't like that, huh? She got Humpty Dumpty. What you gonna do? Oh, it's slimy. If you can get it from there, you can have it. Oh, don't make me get it for you. He's like, but that's the toy, man. That's the one we was playing with. What is up? That's the toy, man. It's like throwing a ball over a fence. Oh. Even though there's a whole slide, you could run up right there.
On this Thanksgiving Day, I really...
Alright, well there was something weird for you. I bet you that's the weirdest thing you've seen all day. My little turkey dance, like woohoo. Anyways, I'm gonna spend some time running around this yard with this dog, and then I'm gonna get ready for my Thanksgiving dinner at 1 o'clock. It's almost 11 now. She's over here trying to take my rake. Hey, that's not your rake. Why are you chewing on it? Huh? That's not your rake. What are you doing? Hey, give me that. Alright, so it's Thanksgiving, so I decided I was going to mix something in with the puppies for dinners tonight for Thanksgiving and give the kitty cat something too. Also got some treats to play tricks with the dogs and some Sunny D, some slippers, and a wild hemp whatchamacallit, and I'm not sure what it smells like yet, but we're going to find out. Don't that Thanksgiving dinner smell good? Let me figure out where they keep the utensils. Interesting. Alright. Now they all got themselves some Thanksgiving dinner. Now we gotta go get the cats their dinner. The cat took his dinner. Mwahaha, spoiled cat. Now y'all wanna go Thanksgiving party? Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Go Thanksgiving parties. If you want a beef nugget, you're gonna have to do a trick. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. There you go. That's such a good girl. Peanut. Hey. Slap me 5. Slap me 5. Come on. There you go. You got one too now. Want a beef nugget? I'm gonna need you to do a trick. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. I'm gonna need you to do a trick. Sit down. There you go. There you go. That's such a good boy. What is it, Peanut? We're watching the fight. Who's gonna win the tug of war? You want some? Go get in it. You want to get in it? Go get in it.
And these are the praise. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. What is wrong with you back there? Rims, gonna play with this bell right here. Get your ass. Get your ass. What the hell? What the hell? Get your ass. Get your ass. What the hell? What the Alright. You arguing? You arguing? Stop talking back. You talking back? You arguing? You arguing? What? Is this a bird? Is this a bird argument? Is this a bird argument? What's the mouth? What's the problem? No way, Jose. My tomatoes. No way, Jose. My tomatoes. No way, Jose. My tomatoes. What?
What's eating you? You, my mom, him. Buddy, get a rest.
Give me my stick. Give me it. Give me my stick. What y'all doing? Give me it. Give me that stick. What? Alright. So I at least found the edge to the patio. I don't have a shovel or any of the proper tools. I'm actually using a handsaw that I had in my trunk to dig out the edge, and then I'm just kind of pulling the weeds as we go. But see, this is what it did look like. They're out there chewing up sticks. Guess who's gonna be back tomorrow? Guess who's gonna be back tomorrow? Oh, look at him, greedy. Just gonna go up and take homeboys stuff like that. What if I come and took the tail? Let me get that tail. Oh, got your tail. You're just gonna drag the chihuahua around the room until you get it out. He's been in here playing with this. Let him have it. It's his. Look, he's gonna get mad. Here.
Oh, what's he gonna do? Oh.
What's he gonna do? Oh. Oh. What's he gonna do? Oh, you can't do nothing. Oh, you can't do nothing. I'll tickle him. I'll tickle him. Oh. What? Y'all just ain't gonna let him have his playtime with the toys? Y'all done tore up one of his toys. Let him have it. It's his.
Let him have it. Let him have it.
Peanut, you got to fight for it. I'm trying to help. Don't start pulling against me. I'm trying to help you. You don't want none? What's up? You don't want none? Nice.